This question from your Unit 5 summative is asking you to determine which coordinate point would satisfy the function below. When we say satisfy, we're asking would be a solution. And we're looking for an end result of a number equals a number. So for instance, over here, this is the equation I will be plugging into. Y equals 2x minus 12. I will be taking each coordinate point offered and I'm going to replace each x and replace each y. So if I'm going to test out a, instead of writing y, I'm going to write negative 12. I'm going to start rewriting the rest of the equation. Instead of writing x, I'm going to be writing 1 and minus 12. At this point, I have plugged in this coordinate point and I'm seeing if it works. Negative 12 equals 2 times 1, which is 2 minus 12. This will actually give me negative 10. So negative 12 does not equal negative 10, so that is not the correct answer choice. I'm going to try this again. Now I'm going to rewrite, substituting in 4 for x and actually 4 for y as well. So 4 equals 2 instead of x. I'm also writing 4 and then minus 12. I can already see that this is going to be 8, and 8 minus 12 would give me a negative 4, so B is not the right option either. Now I'm going to try option C. So instead of y, I'm writing negative 6. And then I'm rewriting the 2. Instead of x, I'm writing the 3. And then I'm writing that minus 12. Negative 6 equals 6 minus 12. And in this case, I will in fact get that negative 6 equals negative 6. So that means that this coordinate point, 3, negative 6, is a solution to this equation. So on a graph, that would be a point on the line.